Nice and lovely, guys. So basically right over here I have some recipe which I want to make you guys a nice, lovely, simple rice salad. But with the rice salad I'm going to take it off with some salad and all these things. So basically I'm going to be grating some carrot inside of this container. And I'm going to be using just 2 medium-sized carrots. Alright? Lovely and nice. So that's the carrot right here. So carrot is really good for you in weight loss. Secondly, I'm going to put in a medium-sized tomato inside of it, and 100% you guys gonna love it. So 1 medium-sized tomato, and I'm going to be cutting up a celery. That's the celery. Now, cucumber. And also we're going to put some peppers in it. Lovely. Now we're going to put roughly about a cup of rice inside of it. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, roughly about a teaspoon of olive oil, not much. Black pepper. Little bit of soy sauce. This is some like a vegetable season with peppers and stuff in it, you know. It's really nice. Little bit of chili. And we are good to go. Now, we need to serve up this beautiful salad, which is fantastic and amazing. So I'm gonna simply shear it up now for you. Nice. So that's the salad we should just mix up. Now we're gonna simple work in the salad. Just put on the gloves on your hand and just work it in like this. So what you do, you take it up like this and you put it straight on the plate. Alright, I'm not gonna make you guys can see exactly what I've been doing. It's amazing salad. Rice salad. It's just fantastic. And it's just something which you can make and also bring it to work with your colleagues then. Honestly, 100% you guys definitely will love this salad. 100% guys, honestly. Now, as you can see for yourself, that is beautiful and nice. Look at the color and everything of it. With the carrot mixture, everything is fantastic and amazing, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Food News channel with us. Give you recipes, very easy and simple to make at home. And this is just a quick and simple rice salad. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. And next time I will give you a recipe for you to make at home. See you next time. Bye bye.